Here is how to deduct medical expenses in TurboTax, step by step. Start by opening TurboTax and signing into your account. Once you are in, go to the Federal section, then open Deductions and Credits. From there, find Medical Expenses and open that part of the return. This section is where TurboTax walks you through the medical costs you paid out of pocket during the year. When you reach the screen that asks if you had any medical expenses in 25, select Yes to continue. That tells TurboTax to begin the medical expense interview and include these entries in its deduction review. The first amount you may be asked for is prescription medication expenses. Enter what you paid for eligible prescription medications, then continue. Use the amount you actually paid out of pocket. If any portion was covered by insurance or another source, that part should not be included here. Next, enter the fees you paid to qualifying medical professionals. This includes doctors, dentists, chiropractors, physical therapists, and other eligible providers. Enter the total amount that applies, then move forward through the interview. TurboTax will continue with additional medical expense categories one at a time. As you go, enter any eligible lab and x-ray fees, long-term care services, eye care expenses, medical supplies and equipment, medical travel expenses, medical insurance premiums, and any other qualifying medical expenses that fit the prompts on screen. Take your time in each section so the amounts go into the correct category. If you kept records by type of expense, this is where that organization helps. As you move through these categories, only enter expenses that qualify and that you paid yourself. TurboTax uses the information exactly as entered, so it is worth checking each amount before you continue to the next screen. Later in the interview, TurboTax will ask whether you received any reimbursement for out-of-pocket medical costs. If an insurance company or another source reimbursed you for any of the expenses you entered, type that reimbursement amount when prompted. This is an important part of the calculation because reimbursed expenses generally cannot be counted the same way as unreimbursed costs. After all medical amounts and reimbursements have been entered, review the information on the summary and continue through the remaining interview screens. Look over each category and make sure the totals match your records. TurboTax will then determine whether your medical expenses qualify for a deduction and whether itemizing gives you a greater tax benefit than taking the standard deduction. Your medical expenses have now been entered in TurboTax and reviewed for deduction eligibility.